If I lost all of my LinkedIn followers and I would need to start completely from scratch, here is exactly what I would do to scale my business and to build my audience exactly step by step. We'll cover a little known search feature that can actually help you out to get the first client within literally 7 days, and it's only available on LinkedIn. So really make sure that you prepare for this video, because trust me, it is going to be one of the best things you will watch ever. And most importantly, you'll actually learn how to grow your audience up to at least 10,000 followers on LinkedIn. I'm Dino, I'm founder of Coaching Power, and I helped over 120 coaches to scale their businesses mainly on LinkedIn. I've even built my own one to around 20 to 30,000 in monthly recurring profit. So today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. So let's get into it. So let's start first of all with day one, because you need to understand that you need to position yourself in the right way from the beginning. Specifically your positioning statement, because look, that's the first thing they will see on your profile as soon as they look up to you. Most of the people just write coach or founder. However, most of the people don't really care about what you do. They care more like how you can actually help them out with the service you do. You need to position around what I call a Monday morning problem. Now, like, just imagine what would be the first problem they get on a Monday. Like, someone canceled their meeting, their team is falling behind, the sales are going up. Like, these are the pain points you need to actually take in consideration. That's what you position around. So instead, just saying I help businesses to get more clients, say I help businesses to fix their lead generation process in just 7 days and where they can get more clients. Specific, urgent, and real to the pain. That's what actually gets attention. Day two would be a profile image, because look, I know most of the people say that don't judge a book by its cover, however, most of the people do. And this is why you need to actually make sure that your profile picture is good, and they're 100% sure that you're high quality person, that you're authority, just by looking at your profile picture. So basically what you need to do is just run your profile picture through some free photo rating tool and make sure if it's, good or not. Just take in consideration it needs to be at least 7 or up. Combine that now with the first positioning statement, good profile picture, and you already have authority literally by day 2. Day 3 is where most people actually get it wrong. They start spamming some cold messages. That's not what we want to do. Instead, you're going to build what I call a trust-stacked messaging. Here exactly how. Draw a timeline of what schools do you attend, or what place do you live, what are your hobbies, what exactly do you do. So this way you can actually somehow get in touch with people who have the same type of interests. Because look, psychology is simple. People trust around the people who actually are very similar to them. So if you can actually somehow, as I said, relate to them with, again, anything. School that you attended, maybe hobbies that you have, place that you live, you can actually be similar to them. This way they can actually give you trust, and of course you can get a client. This leads to higher connection rates, more replies, more booked calls, and in the end, more clients. Now, once people actually start accepting your connection request, don't just pitch straight away. Instead, send a non-needy message. Just say exactly like this. Hey John, hope you're well. I just seen your profile and I just want to know a bit more about exactly what you do. That's it, you're just setting a frame. You're not begging, you're building authority. Now, let's talk about social proof. You need to have a content on your profile that actually shows that you know what you're doing, that you're an expert in your field. Create 2 simple carousel posts using AI tools. You need to make sure it's a list style content so people can actually easily get through it and get a lot of value in the meantime. This isn't about just going viral. It's about getting the trust as soon as the people look at your profile. Now, we need to actually tap into the LinkedIn's algorithm. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, LinkedIn actually pushes your content directly to your first degree network. If you have obviously no network, your posts aren't going nowhere. So instead of posting, you comment. You're thinking in a way that your posts are actually the comments that you leave. But not just any type of comment. You need to target specific people who are in similar niche as you. So of course their audience can actually see your comment, relate to that comment, and of course with that you can actually start getting people to your profile. Let me give you an example. You have some big gurus posts. You leave one comment that is either funny, that is related to the topic, that actually adds some type of trust. And when people actually see that, when followers of that guru see your comment, they maybe like it, they find it funny, they get some value from it, they will as well give you a follow. And this way, automatically, they as well become your network and your audience. Also, don't just try to comment just on big gurus posts or big creators posts. Instead as well, try to connect with some smaller creators, like between 1,000 to 5,000 followers, where you can as well make sure those creators comment on your posts as well. So you build some type of double engagement. So by the end of the week, basically you already have a good audience, you already have a network, you already have people replying to your messages, booking calls, all that without posting too many pieces of content, maybe 2 or 3 posts, and that's about it. And as I said, this is exactly what I would do myself if I had to build my company Coaching Empire again from scratch. And by the way, if you actually want me to help you out to do the same thing for you, to actually get into your business, do it for you, and help you to build that, all you need to do is just click the link in the description and apply to actually book a completely free strategy call with me or someone from my team, so we can see if we can actually be a good fit. And if you found this video valuable, feel free to drop a like and leave a comment, subscribe for more valuable content like this, and I'll see you next one. Ciao, ciao.